What most traders don't understand is that trading is a game of probability. In as much as you want to make money from the market, always know that losses would come. Right, so I took a sell trade on V101S index at this point. This index actually played around today. Right, I saw this index at this zone. We moved in little profit. Now price is above our entry level. We got stopped out. So what actually happened on this index? Not that my analysis was bad or my prediction was wrong. The market will always respect our analysis or follow up our market prediction. So my analysis, basically why I took the sell trade here, is that I identified the market structure on the daily time frame, and I was actually expecting this index to start selling from this current price level. I was expecting the sales basically to the downside because of the market structure, this head and shoulders pattern formation we got, and a level of resistance we also got at this zone. This level of resistance, I was expecting the sales from this level to the downside. This week at least should close in a bearish way, but see what the market did. The market had to play around, did like it wanted to sell, then went against us and stopped us out on a loss. But the loss is not big. But what we have to understand in trading is that losses comes, wins comes as well, but we have to be able to manage those losing times, so our winning times would cover up our losing days, so we can stay profitable long term. So my analysis is that price approaching this level of resistance, I was expecting a rejection from this zone, like price starts selling to the downside. We've seen price consolidate at this point for a very long time now, right, creating equal highs and equal lows, something of that kind. And price created this reversal pattern formation, this head and shoulders pattern. We got the left shoulder at that zone, we got the head at this point, and we got the right shoulder at this zone. So I basically identified this market structure and was like, if price can get to a certain level, this zone, we got this level of support. If price can get to this level, like retest on it, a break and retest of a level of support that got broken, now turned resistance, we are likely to get price sell to the downside. But see what the market actually did. The market came to this zone, gave multi market rejections, and failed to sell from this zone. Markets pushed to the upside. What's the meaning of this market move? Someone predicting the sales at this point is not actually wrong, but identifying this level of support, then saying that if price can give a retest on it, the person would be taking the sales on it. But see how price just gave this bullish move to the upside. That's why it's very much advisable to manage your risk, apply proper risk management. No matter how good the market setup is or trade setup, always make sure you apply good risk management and risk what you can afford to lose. Like, this is like a fake breakout, would say. This is like a fake buy move to fake out those who sold at this point. But I'm still expecting this index to sell regardless of this fake breakout move, this fake buys to the upside. I'm still expecting the sells on this index because market is supposed to sell. Looking at this market structure, we got a trend that price has broken out of. This is an uptrend which price has broken out of. So it's clear that market is likely to give the sells to the downside, because we're already seeing price do what? Create this lower height formation, which is a new market structure. This is a new trend basically. We already see price create this lower height formation. So the sell move is still expected regardless of this little fake out at this point. So I would still watch closely on this index and see if I can get a good entry point. But this time I would wait for price to take out this lows before I can get my sell entry. Right, I'll wait for price to give a move of this kind, a break of these lows, a retest on it. So I would be sure that price has taken out this low, this lower low we got at this zone. This is a lower low basically, a break and retest on it. Then I would be shorting this index at this point. I'm still having the sell view on V101S index regardless of this little retracement. Right, so that's this, guys. That's my view on V101S index. Always apply good risk management. No matter how good your setup looks, market will still do its thing. At the end of the day, the market remains the highest teacher. We have to keep learning from our mistakes and learning from the market and staying consistent as well. So that's this, guys. That's my new analysis and view on V101S index. So hit the like button for more trade analysis like this and drop a good comment on this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new to this channel, and to my returning viewers, I appreciate your support for engaging my videos. Just leave me those, guys. Let's do more and have a wonderful day. Peace.